Why Binance Futures is banned in the United States, and what exactly you need to do to trade your beautiful Bitcoin or Ethereum or other coin futures. Firstly, Binance Futures banned several years ago in 2019 in the United States, and while that happened, still quite a lot of people from US traded on Binance because there was no verification, and mostly people used VPN. It is a tool that helps you change your virtual address. But nearly 1 year ago, Binance started verification of all users. And because of that, people from US lost access. They had possibility to withdraw money and leave Binance. No one left with their money on a platform. That's why at this moment you don't have any legal way to trade on Binance unless you have a second passport and you can verify from another place, and still you will need to use VPN, because if Binance detect you that you are from United States, they will close your account and they will tell you, hey man, withdraw your money, leave, we don't want to work with you. If you see somewhere that Binance banned some user and don't give money, it's a bullshit. If you don't buy cocaine by using their wallet, nothing will happen. What exactly you need to do that's why you cannot work with Binance, but there are solutions for you how you can trade Bitcoin and other crypto futures. I'll share with you other exchanges where you can trade without verification by using VPN. Some people may say it's unsecure, but still, friends, I have a lot of clients from US, and even if something bad happens, they tell you just withdraw your money and that's it. That's why it is really secure way to trade. Let me show to you, before I will name you exchange and what exactly you need to do, have a look on this chart. I just want to show to you how charts on Binance and on another exchanges looks the same. Pay attention. Like, it is left part, it is a Binance chart. Have a look on these arrows. Have a look even numbers. It's difference maybe 20 cents. Difference on exchange 20 cents, sometimes 10 cents, $1. It's nothing for Bitcoin. It is a chart of Binance and another exchange, completely similar. That's why you can trade Bitcoin and other futures on other exchange. It is 100% reliable. Remember to download our free PDF where we share with you our trading strategy completely for free that will help you make money in trading. There would be a link in description. Exchange that I recommend you to use, it is a ByBit. It is number 2 exchange on the planet by volume. There are several reasons. Let me explain to you all of these reasons. First reason, it is ranked number 2 by trading volume. It's really important. Second reason, all their reserves completely public. You can see that there is no any bullshit coins in their reserves, only powerful coins that really matter for ecosystem. Also pay attention, it is interface of ByBit and it looks nearly the same as on Binance. It's easy to open trades. I've recorded for you a full tutorial how to use ByBit futures and deposit account. That would be in descriptions of videos entirely for free. And when you will open account, I highly recommend you to use our link, because you will get first bonus from exchange. As a partners, we agreed that there would be deposit bonus. Second, it would be special educational lessons that will help you to do it. And also, if you will need some help, my team will help you with VPN. There's only one condition: when you open account on ByBit, you must use VPN, because in a case ByBit detects that you're from US, they will not be able to open your account. And right now, my friend, watch these lessons regarding tutorials of ByBit, how to use it, how to trade, open trades, and all of this stuff. Thank you for your time.